So you're gonna press the palms into the floor. You take an inhale, look up. Now the hands are right under the shoulders. The eyes of the elbows are turned in. And I had you lock your arms because that'll keep you stable. And you arc your back, you take an in-breath, the tailbone tips up and the eyes lift up. So that's a strong arc. You may feel this through the low back. If it's like a ha, that's okay, but if it's like a ah, you would stop. So you're gonna feel into how much can I arc and tip the bum bones up? And the feet press down gently. So that's a lot to say. So you're breathing in, you're lifting the eyes, shoulders are back. You're pushing the palms into the floor. Then you exhale and round the spine and you let your head dangle and you're pushing your palms through the floor. The tops of the feet also press down. This is slow motion and I'm staying in the movement. And you can see if I breathe in, the back may expand a little bit more, remembering this is after 30 years or whatever of yoga. So that movement is coming from the whole body, tucking, rounding, and pushing the palms down into the floor. So there's no movement through the body at all. It's all from the push, and I don't need to sound like that's just from the push. It's a lot to feel the accentuation of the palms drawing forward into the floor like this in order to get the lift and the round of the spine. And then you come into the back coming up again. Breathing in here and lifting it, you can hear it's quite the stretch through the throat. And then you exhale and round again. And I'm going to do this once more. And breathing in. And then exhale. And feel that feeling of light. Feel that feeling of light. Like keep that coming in as you feel congestion or a place catching in the muscles. And then you can release and finish there.